Odingo is in charge of a sign language docket. Talk to us on our socials, on all the social media platforms at KBC Channel 1. Let's begin with our lead story. The Kenya African National Union, KANU, has lost a case lodged to claim ownership of Kenyatta International Convention Centre, KICC. The Environment and Land Court has ruled that the land on which the Kenyatta International Convention Centre sits belongs to government after revoking the title issued by the Kenya African National Union KANU party. Ruling on the matter, Justice Jacqueline Mogeni said that the land allocation to KANU without following due process is 1, illegal, 2, unlawful, and 3, unconstitutional. Ruth Wamboi opens our coverage with that latest story on the oldest party, KANU.
By KANU party filed in 2020, seeking to be declared the owner of KICC, Justice Jacqueline Mogeni further issued a declaration that the Ministry of Tourism is the lawful owner of KICC.
However, will be in compliance with the court order of 12th of February 2015, following the judgment of Judge Receipt as she then was. This court has established from the evidence on record that the sued property belongs to the government, as the cross petition states.
The party had stated in court documents that it was allocated the land on 10th May 1969 by the Commission of Lands and acquired a title deed to the land on 25th May 1989.
This court is of the view that although the petitioner has alleged that the rights under the Constitution were violated, they have not proved that the takeover of the sued property, which does not belong to them, was unlawful and that it has in any way interfered with the petitioner's right to property. This court has established that the petitioner is not the owner of the sued property.
However, in a ruling on Monday, the judge said that the Commission of Lands in 1989 had no power to alienate the land to KANU. KANU had filed the case before the Environment and Land Court in 2020.
Was the act of allocating the petitioner public land an act of furthering the Kenyan attitude of, in quotes, mutadu, or was it a failure to understand the law?
In a rejoinder, the KANU party said while they respect and appreciate the independence of the court, they are highly disappointed by the judgment delivered. In a statement sent to newsrooms, KANU stated that the allocation of the land was procedural and therefore KANU is the bona fide owner of the land. Elsewhere at the Anti-Corruption Court, the National Industrial Training Authority, Director General Stephen Ogenga and 2 others have been charged for allegedly awarding a tender worth 4.8 million for the supply and repair of training machines in the financial year 2017-2018. Appearing before the Anti-Corruption Trial Magistrate Zipporah Gishana, the suspects denied the charges placed against them. Ogenga was charged alongside former NITA boss Paul Kipsang Kosgei, who did not take plea, citing that he was sick, through his lawyer.
To be admitted to a bond of 3 million with a surety of similar value. All the accused persons are further required to deposit their passports in court.
The pre-trial is set for 19th June this year. With the court ruling that the petitioner could not explain how they got the title deed in 1989, the court has also poked holes on how the then President Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi could allocate himself a public land. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Courts.